Welcome back everyone. In this video we will create a timeline chart in MS Excel. Look at this is the chart that we will create in this video. So let's start to create this type of chart. Okay, timeline chart. So let's move to our data. For example, this is our data. We have task, estimated date, and the first thing that we need is to our table is to add helper column. Okay, first of all add this helper column and add plus 10 minus 10 plus 10 minus 10 to this in this column. So after adding these values, now let's create our chart. Come here first of all to the insert and add a line chart, and a chart should be this one, like line with markers. Select this one, so it will add this chart. So after adding this chart, now let's apply other operation on this. So the first thing that we need to apply is that just come here to the select data. After coming to the select data, remove this first helper and add a new one, and in the series name select estimated date, and in the series values select tasks. We have 4 tasks. Select the task, press OK, and come here to the edit button, press edit and select here the dates, these dates, press OK. Now let's add another one. For the second one, the series name is helper and the series values are helper values. Select this and press OK, and press OK. So after doing this, now let's apply other operations. So right click on this line chart, okay, and these lines, right click. After that, move to format data series. After moving to format data series, come here to the fill option. Come here to the line. In the line, select no fill. Close this, and by selecting OK again these dots, come here to the in the design chart design, come here to the add chart elements, this option, and come here to the error bars. Come here to the more bar errors. After coming there, here in the vertical error bar, the direction should be minus and the end style cap, that is okay, and the error amount %, and change this to 100%. 100%. Okay, we have completed that. Minus first of all, then cap, then 100%. So this was so after adding this, now let's move to make it a secondary axis. Okay, it means that let's close it and right click on this, right click, format data series. After okay, click on this line and format data series. In the format data series, select secondary axis. So after selecting secondary axis, now look at here at the right side, we see these numbers. So select these numbers. So we should delete these numbers. Okay, select them, right click and delete it. So after deleting it, you will see a chart like this. Now let's add data labels. Right click on these and just we can add data labels. Come here to the format, just come here to the add data labels. Add data labels. So after adding the data labels, select the data labels and right click and format data labels. After that, check category name and uncheck value and show ladder lines. Just select the category name. Close this, and then by clicking again these data labels, move to select data, and here come here to the helper and to the edit. In the edit, select here estimated date, tasks. Just select tasks. Press OK. Press OK. Or we can just select the date. Okay, let's move back, and here in the helper, select date, estimated date instead of that. Press OK. So we will see date instead of that now. So now let's change this, just the date. We will add here the tasks also. So right click on these data labels, format data labels. After that, cells value, value from cells, select this option and here select these tasks. Press OK. So now we will see the tasks and the date also. So after that, select now again that, and we need just to change this header. Okay, just this header we want to change this. Select this and come here to the fill and to the marker. After coming to the marker field, And here just come here to the we just went to marker, come here to the marker option, and here we will add marker option built in, and here we will select, for example, this vector, and also we will change the color to black automatic. So that is okay. Let's check it. Okay, so it looks like this, and also we will just add the border. Come here to the marker field, to the border color should be black also. So it is how we can create a timeline chart, okay, like this, and we can just edit these things also, that as you want, as you wish. So, and also you can whatever you want. If you want just to display the tasks, as I showed you, you can display just the tasks here. So you can create a timeline chart like this. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching.